In this video, I'll show you how to create a customer in the Stripe dashboard. First, sign into your Stripe account. Once you're logged in, click Customers in the left side menu. This section contains all of your customer records. Now, click the Create Customer button. A form will open where you can enter your customer's information. Start by entering their name and email address. You can also add a phone number, billing address, or other details if needed. Next, review the information you've entered to make sure everything is correct. Adding accurate customer details can make it easier to manage payments, subscriptions, and invoices later. Once you're finished, click Create Customer to save the new record. Your customer will now appear in the Customers list, where you can view their payment history, create invoices, manage subscriptions, and update their information whenever needed. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a customer in the Stripe dashboard. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.